How do the John Deere 4M series tractors stack up against the Kubota MX? Let's find out. 4M models have a tough composite hood that won't rust or dent. The sheet metal hood on the Kubota is susceptible to dents and rust. Go ahead, take on tough jobs. With hood and fenders that won't dent, won't rust, your investment is well protected. Both the Kubota MX and the John Deere 4M offer gear transmissions, but there's a huge performance difference. On the MX, the operator must engage the clutch whenever shifting from forward and reverse. To make matters worse, you use your right hand to control the loader and need your left hand to shift from forward to reverse. The 4M, on the other hand, has a power reverser, the ultimate gear transmission for loader work. Simply flick the reverser lever to change directions. No clutching, no shifting. Another difference, Kubota uses a dry clutch, and dry clutches can heat up and wear out. The 4M uses an oil-cooled wet clutch, great reliability and easy to maintain. Got tough work to do? The 4M power reverser makes it easier and faster. Both the Kubota MX and the John Deere 4M offer hydrostatic transmissions, but only John Deere offers the twin-touch hydrostatic pedals. To change direction, simply let up on one pedal and step down on the other. The farther you push, the faster you go. It's easy to get the speed you need, no matter where you're going. Kubota uses an old-fashioned treadle pedal design, less comfortable for your foot and less intuitive for new operators. Need to drive through some tough neighborhoods? No problem on the 4M. Steering components are behind the big front axle, protected from hidden obstructions. Kubota, on the other hand, puts its steering components up front. They take a beating in tough conditions and are more vulnerable to damage. Daily maintenance on both the Kubota MX and the John Deere 4M are easy to perform. But as the hours add up, so does Kubota maintenance time and expense. For example, in the first 600 hours, brakes on the Kubota MX need to be adjusted 6 times. On the 4M, just once. Lube points, 4 on the 4M, 17 on the MX, every 50 hours. Hydrostatic transmission filters, 4 filter changes on the MX, just 1 on the 4M. Hydrostatic transmission fluid, 2 changes for a total of 92 quarts. On the 4M, 0. With the 4M, there are fewer maintenance tasks and lower operating costs. You've seen some of the differences between the John Deere 4M and the Kubota MX. Performance advantages, all backed by John Deere parts and service support. Experience the 4M performance differences for yourself. Get a test drive at your John Deere dealer.